Learning vocabulary is like giving your mind better tools to think, speak, and express ideas clearly. The more words you understand and use confidently, the easier it becomes to communicate in daily life, exams, and real conversations. In this lesson, we will move slowly and clearly, just like a calm classroom lecture. So every word feels familiar, useful, and easy to remember. Listen carefully, imagine real situations, and let these words become part of your natural speech. The first word is apple. An apple is a common fruit that people eat as a healthy snack or part of a meal. This word is used as a noun in everyday conversation. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. I ate an apple after breakfast before going to school. Sarah packed an apple in her bag for lunch. The apple on the table looks fresh and red. John bought apples from the market yesterday. She likes to slice an apple and eat it with peanut butter. The second word is able. Able means having the skill, power, or opportunity to do something. This word is used as an adjective in normal speech. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. He is able to finish his homework on time. Maria felt able to speak clearly during the meeting. I am able to help you later today. They were able to solve the problem together. She is able to drive to work without any trouble. The third word is about. About means related to something, or it can show an approximate idea. This word is commonly used as a preposition in daily language. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. We talked about the plan during lunch. This book is about friendship and trust. I know about the changes already. She asked about your health yesterday. They were excited about the trip. The fourth word is above. Above means at a higher position than something else. This word is used as a preposition in regular conversation. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. The clock is hanging above the door. Her apartment is just above the bakery. Look at the shelf above your head. The picture above the sofa is new. Planes fly high above the clouds. The fifth word is across. Across means from one side to the other side. This word is used as a preposition in daily use. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. He walked across the street carefully. The store is across the road from the school. They swam across the river together. A bridge goes across the valley. She waved from across the room. The sixth word is act. To act means to do something or take action. This word is often used as a verb in conversation. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. It is time to act before it is too late. He decided to act on her advice. She tried to act calmly in the situation. They need to act quickly during emergencies. Don't act without thinking first. The seventh word is add. Add means to put something extra with something else. This word is used as a verb in everyday language. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. Please add some sugar to the tea. She decided to add a note to the message. Can you add these numbers for me? They add fresh vegetables to the soup. He forgot to add his name to the list. The eighth word is after. After means following something in time or order. This word is commonly used as a preposition. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. We went for coffee after work. She felt tired after the long walk. Call me after the meeting ends. They cleaned the room after dinner. He relaxed after finishing his tasks. The ninth word is again. Again means one more time or repeating an action. This word is used as an adverb in daily speech. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. Please say that again slowly. She tried again after failing once. I will call you again later. He read the message again carefully. They met again after many years. The 10th word is age. Age refers to how old a person or thing is. This word is used as a noun in conversation. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. What is your age right now? At a young age, he loved reading. Her age does not stop her from learning. The building shows its age clearly. Children grow fast at this age. The 11th word is air. Air is the invisible substance we breathe to live. This word is used as a noun in daily language. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. Fresh air feels good in the morning. Open the window and let some air in. The air was cool after the rain. She went outside to get some air. Clean air is important for health. The 12th word is all. All means the whole amount, or every part of something. This word is used as a determiner in common speech. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. All the students were present today. She ate all the cookies. I told you all the details. They spent all day working. All of us agreed with the plan. The 13th word is almost. Almost means very close to something, but not completely. This word is used as an adverb in daily conversation. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. I almost forgot my keys. She is almost ready to leave. They almost missed the bus. The glass is almost full. He almost finished the book. The 14th word is alone. Alone means being by yourself, without anyone else. This word is used as an adjective in normal use. Now we will make some sentences to understand the use of this word. She prefers to study alone. He was alone at home last night. I like walking alone sometimes. The child felt alone in the room. She traveled alone for the first time.